If you're experiencing an installation loop while trying to install Cyberpunk 2077, follow these steps to speed up the process and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your system meets the minimum requirements for Cyberpunk 2077. This includes checking your CPU, GPU, RAM, and available storage space. If your system is underpowered, it may struggle with installation. Step 2. Disable antivirus software. Temporarily disable any antivirus or firewall software on your computer. Sometimes, these programs can interfere with the installation process, causing it to loop. Remember to re-enable them after installation. Step 3. Clear temporary files. Clear your computer's temporary files to free up space and remove any corrupted installation data. You can do this by using the disk cleanup tool or manually deleting files in the temp folder. Step 4. Use a wired connection. If you're installing the game digitally, switch to a wired internet connection if you're currently using Wi-Fi. A stable connection can help prevent interruptions during the download and installation process. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the installation loop persists, consider uninstalling the game completely and then reinstalling it. Make sure to download the latest version from a reliable source to avoid any corrupted files. By following these steps, you should be able to speed up the installation process and get back to playing Cyberpunk 2077. Good luck!